Hi guys, so in this video, I'll be showing you how to create multiple pages within Carrd. If you're not familiar with Carrd, it is a website builder that allows users to create simple and responsive websites in a matter of minutes. So creating a website with multiple pages is very easy. First, click the plus button in the upper right side of your screen to add a new element. Then add the button and rename it. For my sample, I will name it Page A. Next, scroll down and add another button, renaming it to Page B. To activate these buttons, you will need to add controls. Since I have two buttons, I will add two controls. You can rename these controls or keep the default names, just like this, hashtag section 1 and hashtag section 2. After that, add a control element. You can add any element you like. For my sample, I will put tables in section 1 and bullet points in section 2. Then go to your buttons and change the URLs to match the names of your controls and where you want them to go. For page A, I will use hashtag section 1, and for page B, I will use hashtag section 2. Once you're done, enter a title and description as these are required to publish your site. Scroll down to the action section where you can choose to publish to a Carrd URL, publish to a custom domain, save as a template, or save as an offline draft. So you will also need to choose a URL name, which must be available. After that, click Publish. So now you will be able to see your site with multiple pages. That's all. You have successfully created multiple pages in Carrd. If you want to get started with Carrd, please check out the link in the description box. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Bye!